Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Kristen Sena. So for today's video, I'm gonna show you the purchases that I got from Philippines, Singapore, and Australia. I will start with the products that I bought from the Philippines. If you are already following me here, you know that I went to the Philippines. And yeah, I will link it up there, my vlog about my trip there. The first item that I'm going to show you is this BH Cosmetics Lavish Elegance 15 brush set. So BH Cosmetic is like a drugstore brand, an affordable kind or brand of brushes. So I'm so happy with this purchase. This is its bag, and if you open, this is how the brushes looks like. I really love the color, the grayish color right here, and it's like an ash color. And I'm so happy because for the first time I have like a complete set of brush in an affordable but good quality brush. So I'm excited to try this one. One day I'm gonna make a video of me putting on makeup using these brushes right here. Next item is this AOA Studio Perfect Setting Powder because I already ran out of powder. My last powder was e.l.f. and I destroyed it. Next item is the Blair Japan Lip Addiction Kiss Proof Lacquer. So this is actually the lipstick that I'm wearing right now. This color is kinda orange, pinkish orange, but more in the orange, and it's a warm color, so I'm not used to this color, but so far I think it's just alright since it's a warm color, so it will just complement with my skin. Next, it's the Milani Make It Last Setting Spray. I have been dying to get this one. Here in Australia, it's available online, but it's more expensive. So when I went to the Philippines, there was an event and I was finally able to get a hand of this. I know there's a lot of good reviews in this baby right here, and I'm so glad I have it. I also have here Double Lasting Foundation Blender from Etude. I already have a blender from BYS, and this one, I know Etude House is also a good brand, and I would like to try this one out and see if this not beauty blender, this sponge blender right here is really a good purchase. Okay, so another product from Etude is this AC Cleanup Liquid Patch. So in this item, I was so wrong about it. I bought this thinking that it's gonna, like relax or like help with your pimples in like relaxing it or like make the swell go away, but it's actually not. This is just like a liquid patch if you are gonna put on foundation on your face, so you protect your pimples or acne with this before you apply on foundation. Next item is this Cotton Pad Charcoal Cleansing Model Silk Charcoal. I got this from Miniso, and the thing about this cotton pad is that it is so thin, like really thin, that when you apply liquid in this, it just like does this. So that's the thing that I don't like in this purchase. And also another from Miniso is this Wide Angle Lash Curler. So it has a really weird kind of look of lash curler here. So I know some of you are expecting me to get like a huge haul, but sadly I did not get those because of time, and also I was so worried that I might be over 7 kilograms as I don't have any baggage. I don't have baggage for my flight going back to Australia. Now let's fly to Singapore. So first things first, I'm gonna show you the shirt that I got from Giordano. I mean, when I say Singapore, Changi Airport, okay? So I got this I Love SG shirt from Giordano, and I got a pair with this for my husband. And we now have a couple shirts. Since I was just at Changi and then I'm in a long layover, the things that I bought are usually toiletries. And the first thing I'm gonna show you is this Clover Soft 99% pure water and bleached bamboo wipes. I love wipes. I love trying on wipes, and I just think they are so useful and you can use it on the go. Next item is this Biore body powder sheet in Breezy Floral fragrance. So I decided to buy this one, guys, because I kind of take a shower, and if you have checked out my Changi vlog up there, you will know why. And so my last resort is this one. This is Thick Sheets Long Lasting Scent, removes sweat, sebum, and odor. So if you want a quick refreshing, you can use this one. I also bought masks from Changi Airport. Well, everything that I bought is from the store Guardian except the Giordano shirt. So this one is Happy Mask. I have Jeju Seaweed, Jeju Aloe Vera, and also there's another one, but while I was on my flight from Singapore to Perth, I used it to freshen up myself. For the last item for my Singapore purchase, it is this travel size beauty products right here. I really thought this is the brand Eau Thermal Avene. I'm not sure on how to read this, but I really thought this is a Singapore brand, but when I went to Priceline, I was like, oh, it's actually available in Australia. Okay, for the first item, this is their Clenan Solaire sunscreen. It's so small. It also has this micellar water. It also includes this lipid replenishing cream. There's a skin recovery cream. This is their gentle cleansing foam, and also their Eau Thermal spring water. This is like a facial spray, and I do hope these are good stuff. Yeah, so far those are all my purchases from Changi Airport. Now let's go to the items that I got from Australia. From Valley Girl is this shawl right here. I forgot, oh yeah, this is $5 only because I got this on sale. So another item for cold weather, but actually here in Perth, it is now spring season. Next item is the Biore Free Your Pores Charcoal Deep Pore Charcoal Cleanser. So I have heard so much about this, and I have oily skin, so it's just a perfect timing that I ran out of my cleanser, which is the Simple. That's why I get this new one. Next item are Simple, from Simple brand. I got the Hydrating Light Moisturizer. The thing that I don't like about this is the packaging itself. I really hoped, and I did not know because I did not open, I really just wish this was a squeezy tube, but it turns out that it's not. My favorite cleansing wipes, the Simple cleansing wipes, and I also made a review about this. Please check it out. Next product is the EcoTools Makeup Brush Shampoo. So I decided to buy this one. As you know, I already have many brushes, so it's about time for me to get this. I do have another brush cleaner. It's from e.l.f., but I don't like it. So I'm gonna try this EcoTools one if it's gonna really work for me. Last but not the least are the products from the brand Body Shop. So first, it's the Body Shop Shea soap, Savon, and also this tea tree oil. So this one is good if you have breakout like acne or pimples. So what you do is that you get cotton buds, and then you dip it in this one and then apply it directly on your pimple. Next is the Body Shop Seaweed Oil Balancing Toner. So I'm excited to try this one out also, as this also refines pores, and I'm also planning to give a full review on this item, so watch out for it. Those are all the products that I got, guys, from Philippines, Singapore, and Australia, and I hope you loved it. Like, please comment it down below if there's anything that you like in all the items that I showed you. Please don't forget to subscribe and like. See you guys in my next video. Bye!